Good morning. Thanks so much for joining us for another edition of your weekly constitutional. Here joins law professor Stuart Harris. Always good to have you here.
Jordan, it's a pleasure, and this week I'll stay on topic.
Okay, good. Yeah, because we're going to get straight to it this week.
We are going to get straight to it.
We are going to
no wasting time.
No wasting time. We're going to the Supreme Court. Tell
we
me
are
why.
going to the Supreme
Yes.
Court. People often think that the Constitution is this big, important thing that exists out there somewhere. And you hear about these big cases, and they always start somewhere else. But I always like to tell people the Constitution is right here with us in this room right now. It's in everybody's room who's watching. Because it affects all of us every day. And constitutional cases can arise anywhere. And that just happened to happen recently in Virginia. An attorney in Abingdon, Virginia, his name is Dennis Jones, happened to catch a case that involved a criminal matter, involved a drug raid all the way over in Roanoke, that had significant issues with something we call the Commerce Clause. And so when I heard about Dennis Jones, I heard about him from some of my students in my constitutional law class, and then I heard that they were going to help him with his case, and then I heard they were going to go to the Supreme Court with him and assist him with his argument. So in just this last academic year, several of my law students went with Mr. Jones. They went all the way to the Supreme Court. They argued the case, and right now they're waiting to hear what the response is going to be. And I had Dennis come in and tell me all about this strange odyssey he's been on.
Oh, wow. Very good.
It's a really good story about a local group of people who went all the way to the Supreme Court.
Absolutely. And hey, if people want to tune in and listen to more on this topic, where can they do that?
Well, we could just talk about it indefinitely here.
Okay.
And
Yeah,
just
absolutely.
keep going.
Just keep
going indefinitely.
Yeah,
And well, no,
absolutely.
actually, they could listen on the radio.
Okay.
FM 89.5 WETS, 3 o'clock this afternoon, Sunday afternoon, or Tuesday evening at 8. We'll rebroadcast it.
Okay. Well, sounds good. Thank you so much, Stuart.
Thank you, Jordan.